Hey, I'm okay. It's Ben, driver of the 69 XLR. Had a little mishap at engineers today. Thought we were going to picnic. Picnic ground is a 4th gear left that you go into, make a nice long straight. Turns out we're going to engineers. Thought I was someone that I was not. Clicked it in the 4th, realized I was in engineers. At that point it was way too late. Went flying off, somewhere in the 100-mile-an-hour range. Car is definitely not going to make it to the 2021 Pikes Peak Hill Climb, but we'll be back next year to be able to have a good time. Car's totaled, but we'll rebuild it, get it fixed up. Thanks for thinking about me, and sorry we're not going to make it this year. Enjoy the video.